Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to space for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of the same old look in your yard and want to bring in some serious drama, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving into one of the most underrated, bold, and absolutely striking elements you can add to your yard: spiky plants. Forget about flat, boring rows of standard green shrubs. We are talking about sharp lines, incredible silhouettes, and architectural beauty that instantly commands attention. Whether you want to create a sleek modern vibe, a rugged desert oasis, or just add a massive pop of texture to a traditional garden bed, these structural wonders are the ultimate design secret. Let's explore how these edgy plants can completely transform your home's exterior. When we talk about spiky plants in garden landscaping, we are referring to species that feature sharp, linear, sword-like, or rigid foliage that breaks away from typical rounded or soft leafy forms. Think of plants like agaves, yuccas, ornamental grasses, or striking phormiums. So why should you choose them for your yard? The number one reason is structural contrast. In design, contrast is everything. If every plant in your bed has soft, round leaves, the eye gets bored. A spiky plant acts as an exclamation point in your garden, drawing the eye and creating an instant focal point. Beyond their incredible architectural beauty, many spiky plants are exceptionally hardy, drought-tolerant, and low-maintenance once established, making them a brilliant choice for sustainable and easy-care landscaping. They offer year-round texture and structure that keeps your outdoor living area looking sharp and styled through every single season. Spiky plants add a tropical-inspired look to your garden that feels as if it would be right at home in a lushly landscaped resort. Depending on their size, the lines of these sleek, dramatic plants can be used as a focal point in your garden, or as a border plant that adds a structured, defined edge to a garden bed. Spanning families including succulents, grasses, and cacti, these plants thrive in a variety of USDA growing zones, so you can have this striking look regardless of where you live. Plus, most of these plants are deer-resistant due to their spiky nature. Here are 10 spiky plants to incorporate in your landscaping. Whether you live in a climate that's warm year-round, or you're looking for something that will be cold weather hardy. One, krantz aloe. Krantz aloe gives you both size and impact with its spiky foliage and vibrant red and orange flowers that bloom in the winter. The trunk is covered in rosettes of foliage, giving it a dramatic look. This variety of aloe thrives in full, direct sunlight, and it can tolerate drought. 2. New Zealand flax. Sword-like leaves sprout like rays from the base of New Zealand flax. This spiky plant makes a statement, especially when grown in groups. While you'll see green foliage most often, there are also varieties that come in yellow, pink, red, and bronze. New Zealand flax produces tubular red or yellow blooms that are a favorite of pollinators, including hummingbirds. 3. Agave. The large, spiky leaves of agave make a dramatic statement in the garden, and some species are cold hardy. One plant can serve as a focal point with ground cover surrounding it. Agave grows best in full sun with rocky, well-draining soil, and depending on the variety, you could have a plant that grows as large as 10 feet wide. Eventually, agave will bloom, but at that point it will die. Often, it's replaced with a new plant in the exact same spot. 4. Yucca. Yucca has a tropical look, though most species can survive temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit. In the summer and fall, they'll have white or pink blooms, particularly if they're grown outside with the right mix of sun and shade. Their spiky leaves are actually sharp, so make sure to keep children and pets away, and be aware that their root systems can spread quickly, possibly damaging foundations and sidewalks. 5. European fan palm. European fan palm gives you that distinct spiky tropical look, but in a cold hardy plant that can tolerate temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit. You can grow them with a single trunk, giving the appearance of a small tree, or with multiple trunks for a more shrub-like look. In the spring, they'll grow yellow flowers and small fruits. 6. Prickly pear cactus. Prickly pear cactus has immediately recognizable flat, round pads that are covered in spikes, and its colorful pears appear after it blooms in the early summer. While these spiky plants have a look that is right at home in the desert, they actually fare well in colder weather. Just make sure you give your prickly pear cactus full sun and avoid overwatering, which can damage the plant. 7. Sea holly. Sea holly is a more delicate take on a spiky plant, with sharp-looking metallic purple-blue flowers emerging from tall, spiky stems. These flowers have a cottage garden appearance, with blooming thistles covering the plants. They are perennials that will self-seed and come back year after year. 8. Cordyline. Cordyline's leaves are not only spiky, but have a formidable leathery texture. You'll find it in dramatic colors that extend far beyond the classic green. There are red, yellow, purple, and even white varieties. While it's grown as a perennial in warmer regions, you can also grow it as an annual in places with colder winters. Add it as a vibrant architectural statement to a garden, placing it with enough room to show off their foliage. 9. Windmill palm tree. When you want a spiky palm tree but don't live in a palm tree region, windmill palm tree is the answer. This cold hardy palm can survive temperatures down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and it adds sharp-edged foliage to your garden, particularly when it's grown at smaller sizes. 10. Blue fescue. Blue fescue is a spiky ornamental grass that looks like sharp-edged silvery blue tufts emerging from the ground. It has a striking texture and color, and it's often used as an edging plant for gardens. Blue fescue is a perennial that grows quickly, filling in your landscaping each year as it grows back. Incorporating these bold silhouettes into your landscape is one of the easiest ways to transition your yard from ordinary to truly extraordinary. From framing a modern entryway to adding depth behind a backyard pond, the visual power of a well-placed structural plant is unmatched. You don't need a complete garden overhaul to make an impact. Sometimes, introducing just 2 or 3 of these dramatic specimens is all it takes to give your outdoor space that professional, high-end designer look. If you love these ideas and are ready to bring some edge to your own yard, make sure to smash that like button right now. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single dose of inspiration from Garden Decor Designs. Drop a comment below and let us know. Which of these spiky plants is your absolute favorite, or which one are you planning to add to your garden next? Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.